I'm at Laser World of Photonics Munich with one of our favorite semiconductor laser manufacturers. I am at the booth at LUMICS. Beate, thank you very much for having me.
You're always welcome.
For a few years, you've been providing the industry with lasers that go from 800 nanometers all the way to 2 micrometers.
Right, yeah.
Gallium arsenide, indium phosphide, and gallium antimonide.
Correctly.
Tell us, what makes you interested about Laser World of Photonics this year?
So we are particularly proud to introduce a new wafer wavelength, which is 1720. It's still indium phosphide. It's about the edge of what you can achieve with regard to high power levels with indium phosphide. If you go even further up, then it's more gallium antimony. We regard these wavelengths important for a couple of medical treatments and also for applications like laser welding, quantum. There are some spectroscopy applications which are working in this wavelength region, so we see good potential for
The market of dermatology is going up, and that's very exciting.
That's very exciting for us because this is a main business field for us.
Can you tell the Optica corporate members something very important about LUMICS? You are an in-house fab.
We have an in-house fab, which means we are vertically integrated. So starting from our proprietary wafer design, we make it all the way up to the wafers, making the chips, coating the chips, doing the burn-in, mounting them on sub-mounts, and then eventually incorporating them into the many different packages which we offer.
One of the things that makes you very unique is the reliability of your chips.
Exactly.
When it comes to passivation, you have invested heavily on that.
Yeah, we invested heavily into that. We have a patented facet passivation technique, which is really outstanding. It allows us to specify extremely long lifetimes of the emitters. And of course, the in-house fab allows us also to do a lot of customization. So we can offer customized wavelengths, customized chip properties, whatever customers would require from us.
Let's talk about that, because one small thing which is very important for our industry, you get the camera closer, you have here a way to incorporate many wavelengths on the same device.
Yes, exactly. So we incorporate, depending on package size, up to the biggest package size, 45 emitters. It's all single emitters. The beauty is that we can incorporate emitters of different wavelengths. So it can be 2, 3, 4 wavelengths in the same device. However, still individually controllable. So you can run them separately, but you can all coupled into the very same fiber output. So that makes the device later on super compact and super attractive cost-wise.
The future is very promising for the semiconductor laser diode industry.
Definitely.
I can see you in every market segment, from dermatology to industrial manufacturing.
Yes, correctly.
When we see each other again here in 2 years,
I hope so.
how does the future of LUMICS look like? How would you like the company to look like in 2 years?
I would the company love to see continue the successful path which we had over the last 25 years. We are celebrating 25th birthday this year. So that's already a success. We will develop together with our customers new products and new wavelengths. Actually, we love being triggered by the industry. So please, if you need something specific, if we can support you, come to our booth. We are happy to create the future together with you.
If you want to combine more than one wavelength, several wavelengths onto the same device, come over here. We have a solution for you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Beate, and congratulations on the success.
Jose.